Hey guys, welcome back to another Tips from Tiffany. Today we're going to talk a little bit about photos. On the cruise ships, you can do photos. They do them every night. You can do casual, you can do formal, you can do play. We definitely like to do some of the photo shoots. You can actually book a private photo shoot for you and your family. We definitely have gotten quite a few pictures, and with Disney you can prepay their photo package. Carnival does do photo packages as well. I always take formal night as a great opportunity to get great family photos. Those are hard to come by sometimes, and with everybody dressed up you get great pictures. One of my favorite pictures is this one here. We're acting kind of goofy, playing, my daughter playing the piano, and we're all holding our ears, but we had so much fun that night. And getting dressed up is not that expensive. We got most of that stuff at Ross or Goodwill or even eBay, so you don't have to spend a lot on formal night. But the pictures are great. They make great souvenirs, great memories. It's an opportunity for moms to get those photos that they always wish they had, but the family just doesn't cooperate. The photographers are great. They make it real easy for you and make you feel comfortable with doing them. They do put you in a couple weird poses, but the photos turn out great. I know when this photographer said, hold your ears and act like she's playing, I thought, oh my God, this is going to be a disaster. And it turns out this is one of my favorite photos. So when you're on the ships, definitely take advantage of the photos, formal night. Mom's great picture opportunities for the family, for the kids, even for you and your spouse. So definitely take advantage of those. You can prepay some of the packages. I know Disney you can prepay. We definitely always do formal night for the photo opportunities with Disney on the grand staircase. A lot of the photo places do have the backdrops, and you can get those all throughout. You can also get them when you're getting on the ship and off the ship. So just have fun with your photos, and if you don't like them, you don't have to purchase them. One thing I do like to do with all the photos that we do get off the cruise ships is I put together a collage and put it in a big poster frame and hang those. Now I don't do those with all of our cruises, but I have done them with special ones where the kids are on board. I'm looking forward to doing that when our grandkids get on board. And so just pick your cruises that are the special ones and do those collages. We also like to get seashells from different areas that we've been on that cruise and use that as a border. Definitely do something like that. A scrapbook. I'm not into scrapbooking, but those of you that are, that's a great opportunity to set up for that. So just have fun with your photos. Enjoy them. They're great memories makers. They make great reminders of adventures that you've been on. A lot of times we forget some of the adventures, but the photos are there to remind us. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if there's things in there that I missed or you'd like to see, definitely put those in the comments and we'll do what we can to get it out here. In the meantime, have a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.